I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light here on your Infiniti G37. This is a 2010. It's really simple to do. But the first thing what you want to do is drive this car up on a ramp so that you have enough space to take out these screws here at the bottom. And for safety reasons also, what you want to do is get you a tire chalk and put it in the back. So on the back tire to keep it from rolling, just for safety. Safety is always first. And if you want to, you could put two on there, one on the right and one on the left, but I'm gonna just use one. Once you get this tire chalk on, you want to take your screwdriver or wrench, whatever you need to take those screws out. And you don't have to take all these screws out. As you can see, I got a few of them missing, so you could just take out maybe 2 or 3 and pull it to the side where you could reach your hand inside, and you want to turn it counterclockwise to take that light out. So once you take these screws out, you want to reach your hand under there and you want to turn that bulb counterclockwise. And once you take it out, you want to just press this back and shake it a little bit and it'll come out. I'm going to put my camera down while I'm recording. See, I'm going to pull this back, this little lock, and I'm going to shake it and it comes right out. Once you're done, you just put your new one on there. It's a H11 light bulb. You can get this in the description below, or you can go to your AutoZone or Raleigh and pick one of these up for about $17, $18. As of today, the price may continue to go up. But to put this back on, you just go and turn it clockwise to put that light back on, and you're done. Do not try to take this light bulb out from the top. I've tried it, and I took out these screws, and it's a mess. So do not try to replace the light bulb or the fog light from the top. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.